Today I want to talk to you about the Go High Level AI employee tool. So running a business today, as we all know, can feel like you're juggling 100 things at once, and sometimes it'd be just really helpful if you had somebody in your corner who could take some things off your plate, just those admin stuff that you want to get off your plate. And now with AI, it's 2025, with the advent of AI, why not use an AI employee? Is this something you've thought about? Please let me know below what your opinions are about using AI employees. Maybe you're a virtual assistant and you're like, no, Louise, this is not great for everybody. However, I want to say to those guys, I want to say to you, if you are working in business admin, business support, then bringing a team of AI employees in under yourself is just going to amplify the amount of work that you can get done, and therefore the quicker your business can grow as a result. So customer requests, website forms, getting feedback. So important to get people to give you feedback on your business. I know I've just been working with my web designer this morning, and she said to me, Louise, we need some more video testimonials. So how are we going to get them? I'm going to use my AI employee to go and reach out to get those. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about having an AI employee tool on Go High Level, which works for you 24/7. I have got a 30-day free trial of High Level, which is down here now, but also go to the description and it'll be the first thing you see in the description. So make sure that you get that. It's Go High Level /Louise Brogan to get your free 30-day trial of High Level, so you can fiddle around in the background and figure out if it's the right fit for you. I have to say, by the way, before we get into the AI employee bit, that the customer support and training available with High Level is literally next level. They do regular free trainings, webinars, Facebook groups. There's so much support to get you off the ground. So if you are thinking, Louise, I'm not technically minded, this is a challenge for me, then they are there to help you, I promise, to get you up and running with this tool. So do grab your free 30-day trial, and then let's talk about the AI employee. So your AI employee will combine voice AI, conversation AI, reviews AI, content AI, workflow AI, funnel and website AI. How many was that? 2, 3, 4, 5. That's seven. And the way the pricing is it's pay per use, and we will get into that in a future video. But remember, you've got the trial for free. Also, if you get the $97 a month High Level plan, it includes unlimited AI, so that's definitely worth checking out. If you're not on that top tier level, then don't worry, you can just pay per use. So just use it for the things that you want to use it for. All right, so the voice AI, this is amazing where we are in the world now. The voice AI, you can train it with scripts, and you can choose the voice, and it will collect customer data, so name and email and the reason that the person's calling you. SMS menus. Basically think of this as being like you having an assistant or a front of house person who's going to field your calls for you, but they can work for you 24/7. So the conversation AI is when someone is sending you a message through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, website chat and email, that they will have a conversation back and forth with your potential customer or client until you're ready to speak to them yourself. So answering those FAQs, and you train this bot. You upload your website URL, you can upload a Google Doc or an FAQ. If I were you, what I would do is I'd go to an AI tool and pull together all my FAQs and put them into a Google Doc, and then upload it into the AI on High Level, so that it knows what the common answers would be to these questions that people are going to be asking you. You can customize the personality, you can tell it what your key goals are, what the actions are that you want people to take, and really just train it as if you were training a person who's coming into your business as an assistant. All right, content AI. This is interesting. So this sits under marketing. It can create blog posts, adverts, emails, images, the website and funnel builders. These are all the different areas of High Level, which I'll just show you now, and gives you a really strong starting point for content creation. So my suggestion is you use it to create the baseline of your content, and then you go in and edit yourself, or one of your team goes in and puts in your own stories and really beefs up that content. So when someone's reading it, they believe that they're reading content from you rather than content generated by AI, but use it as a tool to get you started. Okay, the workflow AI assistant. This takes me back to my days doing my master's in computing and information systems, all about workflows. If this, then that. Remember that so well. So AI will let you describe your workflow in plain English, and then it will go and create that workflow for you. So you don't need to know the technical language behind these things. Saves you time, reduces errors. Again, human checking at the end. AI as a tool, is an assistant. It's the same as you hiring an actual virtual assistant. You would still check their work. So it's just getting you ahead further, faster. So the AI employee on high level, what can it do for you? Answer your calls, reply to messages, handle reviews, generate your content, automate workflow, and even build funnels. All designed to take that busy work off your hands. So you get up in the morning and you look at your to-do list and you think, oh, what I really want to do is get on a call with my client and go through the work that we've got planned together. Or I want to go out to someone's house and plan, the design of the landscape that we're going to be creating for them, or whatever it is that you want to do. But instead you're like, oh, I have to do all these tasks and all this admin and stuff. This is what the AI employee can take off of your plate so you can do the work that you enjoy more often. Go and try it out for free for 30 days. Let me know what you think. Please do put your questions below. If there's something that you think, well, Louise, can I do this? Can I do that? Then ask me below. Tag me. I always respond to my comments here on YouTube, and more than happy to, if I don't know the answer, to point you in the right direction. Go check out High Level today.